Hi, dear friends. Yeah, welcome to this channel. This is Kinko, the company. We are IC programming machine manufacturer. Yeah, many people use IC programming machine and the programmer. They don't know what difference between the IC programming machine and the programmer. So I will simply discuss what is programmer. A programmer is actually a tool used to write programs into electronics ICs. If you want to install software or data of a device, like the firmware of a TV, the control system of a car, or the BIS of a computer motherboard, you need to use those tools. Yeah. They work a bit like a copying a file to USB memory stick, except that the target is the IC in the electronic components. In layman's terms, programmer. It is a device that helps the IC remember a specific program. It writes the instructions or data you want into the IC. This IC may control some electronics equipment such as home appliance, computers, or even some smart products. Yeah. And what is programming machine? Yeah, the programming machine has a similar function to the programmer, but it's mainly used in large-scale production. We can understand it this way. Programming machine, its function is similar to that of a programmer, which also writes programs or data into ICs, but it can operate on many ICs at the same time. Just like a programmer is a single copy machine, a programming machine is like a batch copy machine. Yeah, that help you can copy many files to multiply USB flash drivers at one time. Yeah. Popular explanation: a programming machine is a tool that helps factories install software on many ICs during mass production. It can write same programs to many ICs at the same time, such as the control of IC of a smartphone, the control system in a car, and so on. It is like a file batch transfer one that completes the programming of multiple ICs at one time. To sum up, the programmers are suitable for small-scale operation, such as writing a program to an IC when you want to develop or test. Programming machines are suitable for large-scale work, such as factors needing to install software on many ICs at the same time, and using it is more efficient. Also, why do different brands of chips require different programmer? Different brands of IC use different design architecture, hardware interfaces, and protocols. The internal structure, storage method, and communication method transformation protocol of each IC may be different. Because of these differences, each manufacturer usually designs a special programmer for its own IC in order to correctly transfer data to IC. Are different transmission protocols used to prevent the IC from being cracked partially? Each manufacturer may design its own unique transmission protocol to encryption method to ensure that data cannot be easily cracked or tampered with during transmission. This unique protocol does provide some protections to prevent unauthorized person from easily reading or copying the data in the IC. Thus, the use of dedicated programming tools protect the economic interest of the merchant. Yes, using a dedicated programmer is also a way for manufacturers to protect their economic interest. The benefit of doing so are using banding. If you buy an IC from a certain manufacturer, you may also need to buy or use their programmer in order to burn the program. This forms a kind of hardware and software banding, which protocols the sales of supporting products of IC manufacturers, prevent compatibility issues. Different ICs have different technical requirements. Using a dedicated programmer can avoid compatibility issues during a programming process and ensure stable and reliable programming. Control the supply chain. By providing dedicated programming tools, manufacturers can better control the product usage process and reduce the intervention of third-party tools so as to better grasp user needs and usage data. In short, IC manufacturers have ensured technical security and formed a commercial closed loop by designing unique transformation protocols and dedicated programming tools, effectively protecting their economy interests. If you want to know more knowledge, yeah, you can consult us. We offer professional services for you.